Remove the bread pan from the unit by twisting anti-clockwise and up. Make sure the blade is inserted. For best results, start with the dry ingredients first. Place 500 grams of strong white flour, then 350 milliliters of water. Place the pan inside the bread maker and close the lid. If you are using nuts or raisins, this is the time to put them in there. Plug the unit into an outlet. First, press select to choose the type of bread. Press options to choose the baking options. Press size to choose the size of your bread. Press crust for how dark you want your loaf to be. The timer option is if you want to delay or set the baking time. Press start and leave the machine to do the work. Come back in 4 hours or when the beeper sounds 8 times. Open the lid and remove the bread. Turn the pan upside down and shake to release the bread. Place the loaf on a wire rack to cool. And enjoy your loaf.